Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of PTC ads watching website. So this is the PTC Lab latest version script, version 3.8, and it is completely 100% working script. So if you want to buy this script, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram, both links are in description. And if you need only script, we will provide you the script. And if you need the complete PTC website with domain name and hosting, we also build the complete website. Just contact us and we will give you what you want. So in this video, first of all, we will see the demo of this script, this website. Then we will see its user panel. Then we will see how we can control this site through admin panel. As you can see, this script is installed on my domain, subdomain. So you can see it. So let's start this video. But before starting, do like and subscribe to our channel. And now let's start this video. First of all, you can see the amazing homepage of this website, and it has multiple themes, which it has two themes. Number one is basic and second is diamond. So this is the latest theme of this website. You can see you can change these complete details from admin panel, and here it is about a section. You can also change this through admin, and these are the features. Basically, you can control this complete website through admin panel. So it is very easy to use. You don't need any coding knowledge to control the site. So you can see that site is new, and you can also insert blogs on this website. So here is a plan section. So let me show you. Here is a plan section, but site is new, so we haven't inserted any plan over it. I will show you how we can insert plan and how we can customize this site through admin panel. So we will insert the plans from admin panel. Just watch this video till the end and be with us. So you can see you can completely control this site through admin panel. You can change these links and everything you can do from admin panel. So you can also change these things. So here you can also visit these pages separately. For example, if I want to visit the about page, I can easily visit the about page by going to about section. So this is the about page. You can see right here, here's a plan section. Similarly, here's a blog and contact page as well. You can visit these pages separately as well. So now let's log into our user panel and see how it looks like. So I'm going to my user panel. So click on login. So this is the login page of this website. Here you can see the amazing login page of this PTC ads watching website, paid per click website. Here you can log in with Google, Facebook or LinkedIn account as well. So if you don't have an account over this website, you must have to create an account. So you can see the option of create an account. You just have to click on create an account and you can easily create an account on it. So this is the register page. By filling these simple details, you can easily create an account. So now I'm not going to create an account because I already have an account. So I will log in with my existing details. So I'm going back, and here I have to enter my email, web123@. So I will enter my email right here. And here I have to enter my password. And after entering password, I will click on login, and it will log me into my user panel. So here you can see that our user panel, user dashboard has opened successfully. So you can see the amazing look of its user panel, and it is completely mobile responsive. Mobile users can easily use it, and desktop users can also use it easily. So you can see right here as well. So here it is now in mobile, and mobile users can easily use this website. It's completely in a mobile app view. And so let's go back, and here user can see its total balance, withdrawals, total deposits, total clicks, total ads, remaining ads today, total reminder, referral commission. And you can also use it as an affiliate site, and user can refer to its friend, family member and earn money through referrals as well. So here's a deposit option. When I click on deposit option, user can easily deposit money through on this website. So here you have to select the payment gateway, and you have to enter the amount, and you can easily deposit money on this site. And you can configure any gateway you want through admin panel. For example, if you want to insert EasyPaisa or any other local gateway of any country, you can easily insert through admin panel by filling this simple detail. You don't need any coding knowledge. So it is completely controllable through admin panel. Same case is with withdraw. So you can easily withdraw money by using any of the gateway. And here's a deposit history. You can view deposit history. Here's a withdraw history, and you can see the withdraw now, withdraw history. And this is a PTC ad. User can watch ads, my ads. User can see its clicks right here. Here's a transaction section. User can transfer its balance from one account of this website to any other account on the same website. Here's a referral commission section. You can see your referral commissions and referred users that you refer right here. This is a help and sports. User can generate a sport ticket and communicate with admin. This is an account. You can change your details of account and password. So this is the logout option as well. So these are some dashboard option of user. Now let's log into our admin panel and see how our admin will looks like and how we can control this site through admin panel. So this is our admin login page. You can see you have to enter your username of admin right here, and here you have to enter my password, so I am entering it. And when you click on login, it will redirect you to the user panel of admin. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our admin panel, and here you can see the admin dashboard. You can see total user, total active user. You can see site is completely newly created, and I've completely checked it. It's completely 100% working site, and if you need this site, just contact us and we will build this for you. And if you buy from us, we will give you a free installation. So here you can see all the details of deposits, withdrawals, pending withdrawals, total ads, referral commission. Here you can see the graphs right here. So this is the admin user panel, and here you can see the total notifications on the website. Here you can see user withdraw request, deposit request notification, all the notifications you can see right here, and here you can change admin details from this option. So there is a referral commission option. You can set up a multiple different referral levels of commission from here, and you can create as many as levels you want. So here's a subscription plan. So now let's create a plan on our this website. So you can see that we haven't created any plan. So now click on add new, and let's create a basic plan. And you have to write a tagline. I'm just entering a random text right here, but you have to enter your tagline. So I'm entering a random text just to show you how we can create a plan. So I'm gonna create the plan of 100 USD. And you can also change the currency through admin panel. So it is very easy to change currency. You can use any local currency. So now I'm using in USD, but you can use any of the local currency, PKR, INR, NGN, any currency you want, you can use it. I will show you how we can create the currency, but first let me create a plan. So daily ad limit you can set up. So I'm setting it how many days for it valid. So 20 days. Referral commission is valid or not, so I'm not giving referral commission on it. And when I click on submit, it will create a plan on our website. So here you can see that our plan has created successfully. You can see that plan is active, and you can also edit this plan, enable, disable from here. So let's enable this plan and click on yes. So our plan has enabled successfully, you can see right here. So now let's go back to our site and see whether the plan has inserted or not. So I'm going to my site again. So our site has opened successfully. Now let's scroll down, and here you can see our plan has inserted successfully. You can see plan of 100 USD, daily limits, PTC ads, referral bonus. You can set them from admin panel. Here's the price of plan and validity of plan, and you can easily subscribe a plan by clicking on subscribe now, so user can easily subscribe it. So this is how we can easily insert a plan over this website. And similarly, everything is you can create a multiple plans, as many as you want from admin panel. So here's the PTC ad. You can insert the PTC ad from here. You can easily insert PTC ad. So just click on all, and here you can easily insert a PTC ad by clicking on add new. So you have to fill these simple details, and you can easily insert an ad over the website, PTC ad. So this is a PTC report. You can study it, and here is a manage user. You can manage the user when I click on active user. So or you can verify user emails, everything you can do it from here. If I want to do it, I can do it from here. So here you can see all the details of user. You can add balance to account of user, and you can subtract balance as well, and you can also change these details from admin panel. So you can, these are all the user led activities, you can watch it. And here are payment gateways. So there are multiple 25 plus automatic payment gateways. So you can see all of them right here, and you can use them, edit them. So these are all the worldwide accepted gateways. You can use them on your website. And you can also create, if you want, manual gateway, such as if you want to create any local gateway, EasyPaisa, Paytm, or any gateway you want, you can do it, create it from here easily. So there's a deposit option. You can approve different pending deposit requests, you can reject deposits, you can create different methods for deposit from here. And same case with withdrawal, you can create withdraw method, approve withdrawals or reject the withdrawal request from here. So admin can view all the sport tickets of user right here in this section and communicate with the user, and here admin can see all the reports of transaction, PTC view, notification history, everything right here. So when I go to general settings, basically I can change the site title, I can change the basic details of this site. So here I can see that we can change the site title, site base color, site currency. So you can change currency from here. So I can convert it to PKR, I can convert it to INR, and it will reflect it over my website. So this is how easy to change the currency from here. And when we go to system configuration, so let's go to system configuration, and you can enable different details of the website from here. You can turn on off email verifications, passwords, user registrations, SMS notification, email notifications from here. So you can control all these things from here. So these are the social credentials section. You can manage the social credential, Google, Facebook links, etc. from here, and you can configure them right here. And so there is an option of logo and favicon. You can easily change the logo of your website, and you can insert your own logo instead of PTC Lab. So this is how you just have select the logo, and you can easily upload the logo from here. So it's completely easy to customize and manageable site. You can insert extension, you can insert any language you want. So for example, if you belong to any of the country in the world, you can insert your own language on this site by filling the simple details. And let's go to language option, and I will show you how you can change the language. So you can see all these language that I've inserted. If you want to insert your own language, just click on add new, name and enter name and code, and your language will be inserted on this website, and you can use this website in your own language. So this is how it's easy to use the language over this website. So when we go to SEO manager, so you can control the SEO directly from admin panel. From here you can see all those things related to SEO. You can manage meta description, site title, and everything from here. So you don't need to do external SEO with coding. You can directly do SEO from here. From here you can manage the KYC setting, you can manage the ad settings, you can manage the notification settings right here. You can insert SMTP email settings from here, and SMS settings you can manage them from this section. So let's go to manage template option, and there are two basic template. One is basic, and second that we are using right now is PTC Gold. So you can also use basic template or the diamond template. The choice completely depends on you. So you can manage the pages on your website. So you can turn on off different pages that are on your site. So let's click on it. So here you can see all the pages that are on your site. You can edit them, turn them on, off, change their names, or insert any page you want externally. So there's a manage section, and here you can see we can control this complete site, and we can completely change all the details that are on our home page. So let's go to banner section. If I want to make changes in banner section, so here you can easily change the banner. You can easily change the banner. You can change the headings, subheadings, text, video links, everything. You can similarly edit the complete website from here. So this is how easy to change the banners from here. Similarly, you can edit all those pages, blogs, brands, breadcrumb, contact, features, footer, every page you can do similarly like a banner page. You just have to click on it, and you have to change the simple details. So viewers, in this video I will give you a complete demo of this website. Now if you want to buy the script, or if you need complete website, I will suggest you to buy from us. We are professionals. We have a lot of years of experience in building these sites, and you can contact us and we will build this site for you. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.